Attention window. The range of tokens that an attention mechanism can attend to in a single computation. Different attention patterns, local, global, sliding, use different window sizes. Why it matters? Attention window design determines the trade-off between context length and computational efficiency, a key architectural decision for long context models. Think of it this way. Like the field of vision when driving, you focus on what is nearby, local attention, while periodically checking mirrors for the broader picture, global attention. For example, a sliding window attention of 4096 tokens means each token can attend to 4096 nearby tokens, with global attention tokens providing coverage of the full sequence.